Hi guys, thank you for joining us today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. And we haven't posted in a while because, like, we were sick. My dad was, so yeah. So let's just get it right into the video. So first, we have a zombie, as you can see right here. It can't stand up. Like it's very it's like needs a wheelchair, dude. It can do this, but it still fell. Yeah, it's all of it. Travis Scott. Okay. And this is a dragon Venom, as you can see. Venom as a dragon, a baby dragon. Pretty cool. It's my second favorite of all of them, I think. No, it's my third. Yeah. And here we got Freddy Fazbear. As you can see, we printed this because it's the season of horror. As you can see, here, if you guys don't want me to hold it. I need to stand up like this. But it looks like, yeah, it's pretty cool. And here we got Bonnie, the chillest of all the animatronics. It's Bonnie. There's Bonnie. Here about the FNAF crew, or whatever how you say it. And here we got Foxy, right here, as you can see. Pretty cool, pretty nice, and yeah. And here we got Chica, as you can see. This is how she looks. And yeah. We can draw the pizza thing. Let's do the Squeaking Guard. And this is the one that sweeps up all of the blood and stuff in Squid Games. They pretty much are the cleaning crew. Soccer gosh. This is how they live. And yeah. And now we got the manager that controls the games. As you can see, they're like the high school, pretty sure. And yeah. And here we got the triangle guards, the soldier, as you can see. And all of them have the pickpockets, the zipper, where they can go in bed. And yeah. Let's do the Beetlejuice duck. As you can see, he's Beetlejuice as a duck. Pretty funny. It looked like kind of Donald Duck, but Beetlejuice. As you can see. And yeah. And here we got a baby ghost face. I don't know, is it a dragonfly or dragon? I don't know. Cause look at this is not a tail, cause tails are long. So you can see ghost face. And here we got a adult ghost face dragonfly. As you can see, got the like soft things, the I don't know, the tail, and it's pretty much this one, but this one is a mother. And yeah, pretty cool, pretty nice, and yeah. And here we got Jack Skeleton. As you can see, pretty cool, pretty nice. Looks like he's wearing a tuxedo. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And here we got the Hulk. They're one of my dad's personal favorites, I think. And yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty cool, pretty nice. I like it, not a lot. Yeah. Here we got, I don't know, I think it's Frankenstein. As you can see, pretty cool, pretty nice. And here we got my boy Jason for Friday the 13th. Pretty cool, pretty nice. And you got the machete, got the ski mask. So cool. This is my personal favorite. And yeah. Here we got Ghostface. I'm gonna be Ghostface for Halloween. And yeah, this is how he looks. Pretty cool, pretty nice. Has the knife, you can chew. And yeah, he's pretty cool. Look like he's kind of fat. Look at it, kind of big. And yeah, and this is the dragon from Day of the Dead. It's a Mexican tradition that they do. I'm Mexican, so I'm also going to probably do it. I don't know. And this is how it looks. Pretty cool, pretty nice. I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have like a thing that it will like float. I don't know, but yeah, this is my personal favorite since I'm Mexican. Second, third, fourth, and yeah, the rose on the thing and the candle. I like that Mexican like feeling. And yeah, and time for our final thing that we have been waiting for and we're gonna surprise my mom is this. I have to make some space for this one. This one is so cool in here. This is Mickey's all of the apples from Disneyland that they ever created. And my mom, when we always go to Disney, she will always get apples, pretty much every time. Like this is the Jack Sparrow one, I'm pretty sure of. This one's the classic one. This is my personal favorite. And also the Jack Skeleton one. That one's pretty cool. Also, this is the Mickey Frankenstein, I'm pretty sure. Pretty cool, pretty nice. And this is the other one, it was like Jack Skeleton girlfriend on GF. This one, Sandy, I'm pretty sure. And yeah. This is the Maleficent one, I think. I can't say correctly because I don't remember it. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. Pretty nice. And yeah. gonna surprise my mom, see her reaction, and we will see. And thank you guys for so much support and everything. And make sure to share this with your family for you get more views. And make sure to like and subscribe, and we're out.